Hi, I'm Levi Comstock with countertopepoxy.com, and today we're going to be going over how to do a concrete gray countertop. I like concrete gray countertops because they are pretty simple, very clean, and I believe simple is rich in our world right now. I'm going to start out here today by applying the edge coat. The edge coat is just to ensure that any of the original color doesn't shine through, especially on the edge of a countertop where a self-leveling product is going to be going over it. So if it does run a little bit thin, it's most likely going to show the edge coat, which is the similar color to your top layer, so it becomes very forgiving. As always, thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button on the channel if you liked our content, and then click on the bell so you can see our future content. So most of all, hope to see you guys in class someday out here in Colorado, and thank you guys so much for your time.